Hello, welcome to my house, welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda from Mexico and I'm very happy to have all of you again like every Wednesday. Look, today I'm going to show you to crochet something spectacular that I'm sure that you will love. If you are learning how to crochet, well, this is a perfect opportunity. Also, if you want to start a business, well, this is the perfect garment to start because it's very easy, super fast, and your clients would love it. This garment combines with many different outfits, and just if you wear something simple, well, with this garment your outfit will pop up and will look so different and fancy. Well, I made this garment because I was in Aguascalientes, and one sir came to me and he asked me that he wanted to crochet something for his wife. So I was very shocked, I was very surprised because no many men crochet, and I'm very glad that now the men are started to get interest in this activity. I was very happy, so I showed him all the different garments that I have there in the exhibition, but he told me like, no, I want to crochet something with my fingers for her. So I create this garment there with him, so I teach him, and the people around us love this garment. So I promised them that I will show them and that I will teach them how to crochet this garment. So here it is. This man made this garment for his wife in brown. It looks so beautiful, but I decided to make it in gray. I think it looks so beautiful too. Imagine that if you crochet this garment in white or in black, wow, will look so beautiful. So I invite you to see all the different colors that we have available in the online store. Remember that the online store is www.lauracepeda.es, and there you will see all the different combinations that we have. It's very easy. This is one size, so you can make it for a lot of different people. Remember, as I told you at the beginning, you can start a business with this garment. But well, I will give you the material list to start right away. I don't lose more time. So let's start. Well, for this one size shawl, winter shawl, we are going to need 200 grams of nieve and 200 grams of brujas or Portugal. You can ask what kind of material we had available in Europe, in Spain. And you will need one crochet hook of number 15 millimeters. Remember that if you don't want to crochet with your fingers, well, you can use this crochet hook, but I invite you to experiment and crochet with your fingers. Well, so let's start. Well, with one thread of brujas and one thread of nieve, we are going to make a loop like this. Then we are going to start making chains with our fingers. We are going to use our finger as if we're the hook. Look, I will do it slowly so you can see how it is. We have to make them loose, okay? So very slowly and carefully, and always please pay attention that remember that you have to take both threads together. Well, I'm going to make 45 chains for a big size. So you are going to continue like this until you have them. Well, once you finish, you are going to see that you don't twist them because we are going to close in circle. Later on we can fix this, but it's better if you fix it from here since the beginning. Well, slip one to close, and now we are going to make chains like this. We have these both holes, so we are going to take it from the back and we are going to make single crochet. I will do it very slowly and carefully so you can see how it is. Remember that you always have to take both threads. If you made 45 chains for the base chain, well, you have to make 45 single crochet, and like this the whole row. Okay, now that we finish, if you twist your project, well, remember that here is the step where you can fix it. So you are going to fix it like this, and once you have all your row straight, well, we are going to continue making single crochet. Remember, if you made 45, you have to make 45 single crochet. And like this, it's very important that we use a marker. You are going to put a marker here to indicate that you start your row here, and from here you are going to start counting 45. Well, like this we are going to continue until we obtain the width that we have. Okay, so we are going to continue making rows until we feel that it's right for us. Well, here I already tried on and I like the width that this project has. Now I'm going to count the rows to tell you more or less how many rows I've made, so you can have this reference. Well, remember that here we have the thread where we start, so from here we are going to start counting. So we are going to count the rows like this: 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Also, I'm going to measure it to tell you how many centimeters I made, because we crochet different. Sometimes we crochet a little more loose or a little more tight, so you can have this reference, and so you can have a garment like me. Well, I'm going to cut both threads, make a chain, and pull both threads together, and now we are going to hide this thread through all the garment like this. If you want, at the end, you can sew this part here, the end of this thread, to ensure that this won't undo, okay? Well, now we are going to take this garment that has a tube shape, and I'm going to measure to tell you how many centimeters I made, and like this you can have a reference. So well, it measured 45 centimeters. Well, now I'm going to show you how we are going to make this sash to create this bow shape here. So we are only going to use one thread of our plain yarn, this one, and we are going to use a hook. I will show you how. And we are going to use a crochet hook of number 7. If you have a bigger number, well, you can use it. In this case, I think I have. Well, I will use the crochet hook of number 9. And like this, you are going to make 10 chains. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10, and now we are going to come back making single crochet in each chain. Well, we are going to continue like this until we finish this row. Now turn around, and we are going to take both parts of the chain here in the first stitch, and then we are going to continue making single crochet. So this will be rib stitch, only taking the back part of the chain like this. For only the first one and the last, we are going to take both parts of the chain, and the others we are going to make rib stitch. We are going to continue like this until we have like 7 or 8 rows. At the end, I just made 2, 4, and 6 rows, and I'm going to measure to tell you exactly how many centimeters I made. Well, it's 13 to 7 centimeters. Now that we finished this sash without being off, we are going to leave it like that, and we are going to look for the starter thread. Remember that from here we are start. So we are going to take and join both parts from the beginning and from the end like this, and we are going to take the sash, gather all the rows, and now roll the sash, and with the same hook that we were using, we are going to join. I will show you how. And we are going to take one stitch from here and one from here, and we are going to join like this, and we are going to make with single crochet. And again, one stitch from here and one from here, and like this until we finish to join all the sash. Well, now that we finish with the same crochet hook, we are going to cut the thread here. We are going to make a chain and pull. We are going to take these threads too, so we can hide them. Pull a little bit, and now we are going to hide these threads through all this project like this with the crochet hook. So now we can see how it looks, okay? I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you can make this garment for all of your family. I'm sure they will love it. Well, so what do you think? I love making this garment with all of you. It's very easy and super fast. I really enjoy crochet with my fingers. I love to feel the charm between my fingers. I love it, and especially when I use these fluffy yarns, I love them. Remember that we have a lot of different colors that you can use it, and you can match with your daughter or with your granddaughter this winter and these holidays. I'm sure they will look so beautiful like you. So please, if you make this garment, please send me a picture. I will be very happy to see you wearing this garment. And I love to see how men are involving and getting interest in all these activities. I love that this sir came to me and asked me to crochet, that he wanted to crochet something for his wife. It was so sweet, and I will never forget. If you are a man and you are watching my videos, please take the risk and crochet something for your daughter, for your wife, for your girlfriend. It will mean a lot to them if you make this detail for them. So if you take the time to make something for them, it will mean a lot, and I would think it will be an amazing present for these holidays. So please also send me a video or a picture while you are making this garment. I will enjoy to see it. And remember, if you want me to make something, please leave me here in the comments. I read and I try to answer back as soon as I can. And I hope that you enjoy making this video with me. I really love it. And let's prepare for this coming winter that now it's so cold. Right now in Mexico it's so cold. I think it's colder than the last winter. I can imagine the countries, for example in Canada, in Europe, that you have minus degrees temperatures. Well, it's crazy. But well, I really enjoyed making this video with you. Please give me a like if you like it, share, and don't forget to leave all your comments. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!